Hey, skincare lovers! Today, I'm about to spill the tea on Pakistan's best skincare secrets. Products that are winning hearts, glowing up routines, and making waves for all the right reasons. It's super hydrating, soothes redness, and gives your skin this fresh, dewy vibe. I swear, just a few sprays and you'll feel like you've walked out of a spa. Next up, we have Connatural's Saffron Complexion Builder. This little bottle is magic for brightening dull skin. It's packed with saffron, turmeric, and essential oils. You get a gorgeous glow and a boost of confidence. Plus, it's all natural, so you're skipping the harsh chemicals. Now, for those who need a serious hydration fix, look no further than L'Oréal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Yes, it's international, but it's blowing up in Pakistan for a reason. It plumps up your skin, smooths fine lines, and makes your face feel baby soft every single day. I'm obsessed. Let's not forget about sun protection. Himani's Sunblock SPF 50 is all the rage right now. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and doesn't leave that weird white cast. It's perfect for daily wear, even under makeup. And you know, sun protection is non-negotiable for healthy, youthful skin. Alright, I've got to talk about the Saeed Ghani Multani Midi Mask. If you want to detox your skin and keep those breakouts away, this is your new BFF. Just mix with a little water or rose water, slap it on, and let it work its magic. Your pores will thank you. Finally, if you want a one-and-done solution, try WB by Himani's 24K Gold Serum. It's a total game changer. Smooths, brightens, and gives you that red carpet glow. I use it before big events, and trust me, my skin has never looked better. So there you have it, my top picks for Pakistan's skincare excellence. These products are trending for a reason. They deliver results. Whether you're new to skincare or a beauty pro, add these to your routine and get ready to shine. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's your favorite Pakistani skincare product? Stay glowing, beauties!